Hey boys and girls, the Junkman coming at you with a short video this time on how to properly cover your car with a car cover. Now, a lot of guys talk about how, well, the car cover scratches my car up and it's causing all kinds of damage, and that's because you're covering your car at the wrong time. The only time I cover my car is right after I wash it. That is the only time. Once I've driven that car, it does not get covered, because as I'm driving down the road and cars are going in the other direction, dust is being swirled up and thrown into the air and it's landing all over the car. So I'm not going to cover it then. The only time I'm going to cover it is when I have just washed it. And I'm real particular about the cover I use. My cover came from Covercraft. The reason I use that brand is because it's made in the great old US of A. And that's what I want. Something made in the USA with some quality control. So Covercraft is the cover I use, and I'm going to show you how I go about applying my cover. Now, the way that I apply it, or the reason I can apply it this way, is because of the way I take it off the car. Once you see how I put it on, you should understand how to take yours off so that you can put yours on and off the same way that I'm doing here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to back the camera up so that you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to put my cover on the car. I want you to watch how I do this, and then thus you can do the same way, because if there is any dust or anything on the car, it's going to keep you from scratching up the paint doing it this way. Alright, so let me back you up and let's do this. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you can hear me way over there. I've got you way across the garage, but basically this is what I'm going to do. I am going to unroll my car cover in a way that will create the least amount of damage as possible. Watch this. Now notice I'm not sliding the car cover all around the car. Looks like I see a little piece of dust there. I'm going to gently wipe that away. There you go, bam. Hang up my California duster. I'm continuing to unravel it. Notice I'm not sliding it. I'm unraveling it. Okay. Now that I have it unraveled, I'm going to put my mirrors on. That's one mirror. That's going to hold it in place when I do that. Now I'm going to put the second mirror on. Now I don't have to worry about the cover running around, falling off either side of the car. I got my mirrors to anchor it down. Now I'm going to pull the back in, because my mirrors is going to keep it straight for me. Just like that. I'm not going to pull it all the way down. Just want to get it on there. Then I'm going to pull the front in. Find my elastic. You guys with long arms would have a lot better luck doing this. Guys like me with short arms, a little more work. Okay, now I'm going to go around and actually pull this puppy down to where it needs to be. And now we do the front. There's the front. And as you can see, this cover comes down pretty far. All right. I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. Want to double check everything. Fold my mirrors up so that they don't get hit. And voila, there she is. Let me bring you in. Okay, as you can see, car is covered. And I'm going to just bring you in kind of close here just to show you something nice about this cover. Notice the seams. This is not a one-piece cover. It was designed specifically for this car. All right, that's why it's done in multiple pieces, so that it hugs the lines of the car, covers all the way down. Logo was extra, but you know that's how the Junkman roll. You know we don't half step. Brother in his garage don't half step. All right, but as you can see, it covers all the way down. If I wanted to, I could pull it down below the wheels. It's actually got that much slack left in it, but as you can see, it covers well. Got my pipe showing here. Let me cover them up. There you go. That was a brother in his garage production moment right there. You know, camera angle all off. But that's pretty much it. That's how I cover my car. When I go to remove the cover, I remove it the exact same way that you saw me cover it, and I fold it that way and put it in its bag. It has a bag that it also goes in. So that's pretty much it. That's the way I cover and uncover my car. I only do it when the car is clean. All right? So that's another Brother in His Garage production video right there. Nice, short, sweet, and to the point. This is the Junkman signing out.